Hello, my friends from the internet. Welcome back to another one of my videos. This is my EDC. I haven't carried this yet. First thing, moose mints. These things are pretty cool. They're really good. They're getting soft because they're about to expire this month. Yeah. There's the front. Moose. The back of the moose. Jeep Multitool. Did a review on that. Go check it out. Best multi-tool ever. Look at it. It's even got little bits you can put in and use as a screwdriver. It's awesome. And the next thing. Alright, this is what we all came here to see. The Altoids tin. So, right when you open it up, there's a toothpick on the lid, tissue, band-aids, to get into it, 2 cotton balls. Here's a little capsule that I made of hydrogen peroxide to clean out cuts. 2 things of lotion, because if you haven't noticed yet, my hands are pretty much sandpaper. And then you have tiny little pencil. I think this is, I don't know, but it works. 2 magnets, which, yeah, I can't get those out. Switchblade, $1. What's in here? Q-tip, and a straw covered in SpongeBob duct tape. Deal with it. You know, I'm the coolest person you ever met. Fishing line. Werther's caramel in case my mouth gets dry. A little thing that came on one of my knives. And then, this thing's awesome. A reusable match. So that is cool. By the way, if you're wondering this is Survival Life. Reusable match. You can use it like 19,000 times. Fill it up with lighter fluid. And then it has a little striker. I think that's magnesium. Could be wrong. And then this little string soaks up lighter fluid. And you can light it. Then on the back I have some extra tape. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe.